I'm going to show the disassembly procedure for the Olympus XA3. It's very similar to the Olympus XA2. There are some different steps. In this video, I'm going to cover the removal of the bottom plate, the removal of the front cover, removal of the front lens cover, and then removal of the top plate. Let's get started. So the tool that you need to remove the screws is ideally a Japan standard or J00 or J000 driver bit. They're slightly different than the standard Phillips bits, but Phillips will work in a pinch. So first, to remove the bottom plate, there are 6 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 2 screws are shorter, these 3 screws are longer. So just keep track of the screws. Once you have all 5 screws removed, I do like to open up the dust cover just a little bit and then just remove the bottom plate just by peeling this way. I'll remove the batteries. Okay, now that I have the bottom plate removed, I can just set that aside. Next, I will remove the front cover. So remove this front cover. What I like to do is I like to grab here and do a peeling off motion. Just like that. There is a dowel pin that comes off. So there is this dowel pin that comes off. Just keep track of it. You won't want to lose it. It tends to fly off when you remove the top cover. Now that we have the front cover off, let's go ahead and open the camera to remove the front plate. So there are 2 screws for the front plate. There's one here on the outside, and then there's one here on the inside. The difficult part of removing the front cover is getting to the second screw. The second screw is down behind this film flap. So you have to get the driver here, find where the screw is, and then gently unscrew the screw. Sometimes it doesn't come off right away, but it will release from the front cover. So I've got the screw released from the front cover. It's still inside the film compartment. What I'm going to do first is just remove the front cover, and we'll deal with that screw first. Deal with that screw later. The front cover is off. Now we have access to the front of the XA3. Just going to go ahead and see if I can get that screw out of there. You might just want to turn it over and then get that screw. So now we have the front cover off. It is very important now that the front cover is off. You can see that actually the lens is protruding from the camera. So we want to be able to protect that just because it is an optical surface, so it can get damaged. I just like to cover it with a little cloth and some tape just to hold it down. And that kind of gives me a little bit of peace of mind to make sure that we're not damaging the lens. Now let's go ahead and remove the top cover. So to remove the top cover, we're going to go ahead and take off the film winding knob with this 1 screw. After we get to the film winding knob, there's going to be 2 screws, one there and one there that we're going to remove. And then we're going to remove this screw over here, and it'll be able to peel off this front cover. So let's remove the winding knob. What I really don't like to lose the screw from the winding knob, especially if it comes off. It can get quite tricky to reattach because there's a spring there. And what I like to do is I like to keep my screwdriver in and move it into this position so the screw is held on to the winding knob. Now, one thing just happened here. This is the film winding pin, and this connects to the film canister. I did not expect that this was actually going to get removed. So I'm just going to go ahead and then just kind of put this back up in here just so it can stay into place. There should be a screw in there that holds it into place. Okay, let's go ahead and remove those other 3 screws. So the 2 screws on top here. One, 2, and then the 3rd screw over here. Okay, with those 3 screws removed, this top plate can be lifted up. So you can just start in one part and then just kind of work your way around. Just like that. Do want to be careful. There are some wires that are attached over here, so we don't want to yank it up. What I am going to show next is how to remove the film door. To remove the film door, there is a pin that runs along here that connects the film door to the body. It is easiest to remove this pin by removing any accessories first. So in this case, I have the hand strap. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove that. Okay, now that I've got the hand strap removed, we have an access point for the pin. What I like to do here is I got a pair of vice grips that kind of fit nicely into here. Just going to grab this pin and then just slide it down. Once I've got enough to grab onto it, I can just grab this pin and pull out. There was a little bit of oxidation and some corrosion on the pin, so it stuck a little bit. But now that I have the pin removed, I can just go ahead and remove the film door. That concludes the basic disassembly for the Olympus XA3. Thank you for watching.